Hello learners, today we will be learning on farm budgeting and types of budget. So directly let's see what's the definition of farm budgeting. So there are two definitions. The first definition states that the farm budgeting is the process of estimating cost, returns and net profit on a farm and involves managerial principles of inputs and output in relation to the production. So in the first definition, farm budgeting, it is estimated as, it is defined as a process of estimating cost have to be estimated, returns have to be estimated, and checking out the net profit from the farm. And it also involves managerial principles of input and output in relation to the production. So those things, the managerial aspects which are related to the production aspect, the input and output aspects which are related to the production is involved. Okay, so it is estimating the cost, return, net profit, and also involves the managerial relation of the production in terms of input and output. So let's check out what's the second definition. So in the second definition, it defines farm budgeting as a process of preparing advance estimates of finance for plan before putting it into effect. So it is preparing something in advance or estimating the finance plan for the farm in advance. Okay, so this is the easiest and self-explainable definition of farm budgeting. So now we will see what are the factors affecting farm budgeting. So for estimation of a budget, it is always subjected to many kinds of errors, or many kinds of things are related to that. Many factors affect the budgeting. So we'll see what are the factors affecting budgeting. So the first factor is unforeseen circumstances like abnormal weather, if, some drought situations may come, or some climatical problems may happen, or catastrophic may happen. So all those unforeseen circumstances, that is unpredictable, or like the unknown things, unforeseen or unpredictable or catastrophic things, okay, which are in terms of weather, maybe infrastructural, many other factors may affect. So first factor affecting is unforeseen circumstances. Second is outbreak of diseases, any kind of diseases. Right now we are in the world is suffering from the pandemic corona. So such kind of outbreaks, that is again an unforeseen or unpredictable or uncertain situation. Outbreak of certain diseases, or changes in the market condition of products and feeds. So when we think from the perspective of farm, the changes in the marketing conditions and the price fluctuations in regards to the products, cost of production, the inputs and outputs and the marketing, all those things are also the factors affecting budgeting. Now we'll see what is the importance of preparation of a farm budget or budgeting. The first point is budgets can be of considerable value as to budgets can be of considerable value as guide to policy and plans of economic gains. Second, helpful in preparing statements of receipts and expenditure. Third, helpful to draw alternate plans of quick improvement on existing plan. And finally, helpful in analyzing the business carefully. So what it is, the first point is that it can be it can act as the budget can act as a guide for the economic policies, and it helps in economic gains. Second point, it helps in preparing the receipts and expenditure, that is P&L account, the income statement, also in the preparation of balance sheet also. Next, helpful to draw alternate plans of quick improvement on existing plan. So the farm budgeting also helps in preparing, or if there is certain corrections or certain improvements to be done on the existing farm plan, so an alternate plan, the plan B, can be developed. So this farm budgeting is important over there also. And finally, helps in analyzing the business carefully, to analyze whether the business is going in profit or loss, what are the kind of expenditures, or what are the incomes received, all those. So for all those things, the budgeting helps and it is important. Now we'll see what is the objective. The first objective is to serve the basis of farm plan preparation and its evaluation. Farm budgeting is always directly related to the farm plan, because in farm budgeting, what happens in farm budgeting is it is a method of analyzing the farm plans. Okay, so the farm budgeting and farm plan is directly related. So it serves as a basis for farm plan preparation and its evaluation, whether the plan is right, the existing plan should be any alternate plans should be to be made. So it helps as a basis for the plan preparation and its evaluation. Second, it helps the farmer to in adopting such farming methods in meeting market demands, which can give a higher returns on his investment. So farm budgeting helps the farmer to adopt new methods or application of the technological implications, so that the demand, the returns from the farm will be higher, and his returns on his investment will be higher. So these are the objectives of farm budgeting, preparation of a farm budget. So let's see, for the preparation of a farm budget, what are the requirements? Initially, data of input and output estimates. So for the preparation of budgeting or preparation of a budget, initially the input and output data estimation have to be done. A forecasting of the data have to be, input data will be available, the output data have to be estimated, have to be forecasted. The second is clear distinction between the fixed, semi-fixed and variable cost. All the different kinds of cost involved. There are three different kinds of cost involved, that is fixed cost involved are there, variable cost are there, and semi-fixed cost are involved. So we have to have a clear distinction between all these different kinds of cost. And the third thing is recurring on variable items of expenditure. And fourth point is market price of raw materials like feeds and finished products, because a budget will be made. It is a method of analysis of the farm plan. In farm plan, we will be preparing will be estimating all kinds of costs, the input cost, output cost, operating cost, all the direct, indirect, all kind of expenses that will be incurred in the farm development. All the costs will be there in the cost sheet or in the farm plan. So like all those prices should be also available. So for the preparation, accurate price or a forecasted price should be there, so that farm budgeting can be prepared in a like in an efficient manner, or efficient farm budget can be prepared. And now we will see what are the types of budgeting or types of budgets which are used in the farm. There are two major kinds of farm budgets, that is complete budget and a partial budget. So from the term itself, it is understood, like it can be understood in complete budget, and all kind of enterprises involved in the farm or a farm business organization will be done. And in partial budgeting, for each kind of different enterprises, the budgeting will be done. For example, if a farmer is having livestock, poultry, fisheries, and 10 hectares of farm, so in partial budgeting, the budgeting of livestock will be done, or either the budgeting of poultry will be separately. In complete budgeting, all these enterprises, the enterprise units or subsidiary units of the farm business organization will be prepared in a single performer single sheet. So we'll check out what is complete budgeting or total budgeting. Complete budgeting is also termed as total budgeting. So it refers to preparing budget for a farm as a whole. Complete budgeting considers all the crops, livestock, methods of livestock, and the methods of production and aspects of marketing is consolidated form and estimates the cost and return for the farm as a whole. So in complete budgeting, all the like it will be considering all the kinds of enterprises or enterprises or units involved in the farm business organization, maybe the crops, livestock, poultry, and all the cost will be also considered. The production, marketing, all the cost will be considered. In complete budgeting, the complete budgeting can be prepared for short run, and it is called the annual budgeting, and also for the long run. Short run means for 1 year, that is for the annual budgets or annual 1 year plans can be also made. In partial budgeting, what we are doing, as I said, it refers to estimating cost and returns and also the net income of a particular enterprise. Okay, it refers to estimating the returns of a part of a business. So in farm business organization, there are different enterprises involved. So if we are estimating the returns or the cost involved in one part of the business, that is partial budgeting. Okay, Now we'll see what are the advantages of preparing budgeting and why a farm business organization or farmer should prepare farm budgeting, and why it is important for us to learn, because since we are here to help the farmers and since being an agribusiness professional, we need to we need to make understand what is the importance of farm budgeting and how it is important and how it is advantageous. So we will see what is the advantages of farm budgeting. So first is to evaluate the old plan and guide the farmer to adopt a new plan with advantage. Second, it makes farmer careful of leakage or wastage in the operation of farm. If there is any extra expenses incurred, he can be the farm. This farm budgeting helps the farmer to be extra careful. And third point, gives a comparative study of receipts, expenses and net earnings on the farm, and helps in formulating rational dairy farm policies. Next, guides and encourages most efficient and economic use of available resources. Since the resources in the farm are scarce, so most efficient and economic use of the resource. And finally, serves the basis for future improvements in the farm practices. So this is all about farm budgeting. So I hope all of you have understood. If you feel any difficulty, get back to me. Thank you.